Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Most beautiful and latest crochet little kids girls with the caps or head caps crochet pattern combination matching for your little kids girls dress pair style ideas and stylish ideas. Crocheting baby frocks in different color combination allows you to create lovely uh, variety and garments that are both stylish and comfortable. Have fun bringing your vision to life. So creating a crochet baby dress for a little girl is a delightful and stylish, elegant style and idea. So I hope you like it and like it my video and my channel. Different style and select your yarn colors and make sure you have all the necessaries and most baby dresses start with the bodice so this often involves creating a yoke or a top part of the dress. Follow your pattern instruction, usually working in rounds or rows. Sleeves, if your pattern includes sleeves, follow the instruction to crochet them. This can be short, long or cap sleeves depending for your choice.